Hi to our viewers, we've got a Vauxhall Corsa on a 2003 SRI model. We're going to be doing three things on this: changing the headlight bulb on the front, side light bulb on the front, and brake light bulb on the back. We're going to do that. We're going to just show you how it's done. Right, the first one we're going to do is a brake light bulb change, which is a 3A2 bulb, double filament one. As you can see, all you need is you need to get a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. You've got a screw here. Once you've undone that, you remove the back tail light. You remove it completely. Once you've undone the screws, all you do, you pull it out gently. As you can see, you've got two little lugs there that go slots in there, so you got to be very careful you don't break them. And then you unclip it from the back. Once you've unclipped it, you've got screws there again. Undo those screws, these three screws, you undo them. We've got the back cover out for the bulb, so all we've got to do is replace the bulb. Now, it's like I said, it's a double filament one. Here it is, and it's all black as well, so that means blown out. Now we're going to put a new one in there.
Staggered.
Right, yep, so you've got two little pins there. So one's quite low, one's quite high. So make sure you put it the right way. That's it, that's all clipped in. Now, same procedure, put everything back together for the light, and you got to screw it in. And once you've done that, you check the brake light, switch the ignition on, don't start the car up, switch the ignition on, press the brakes and make sure the brake light's working. You would need a second person for that, to press the brakes for you to check the lights. Now we're going to do the headlight bulb change, which is a H7 bulb, and they're both H7 for the main beam and the other one full beam as well. So we're going to replace that one. Just going to show you how it's done. It's quite simple on these. You've got a clip on the back which you twist to your left and then take the whole thing out. Once you've done that, the way the bulb's sitting, as you can see, there's a lug here, so it needs to slot in that. So we'll remove the bulb. Make sure you don't touch the lens, because if you do touch the lens, you can blow the bulb and damage the bulb. So once you've taken the bulb out from the box, try not touching the lens. And it's a simple way. So it should be this little pin here, that should be facing forward into this little gap here. Clip it in. Once you clipped it in, it goes the right way. So to see it, as you can see there, now the bulb is out of line at the moment, so we're going to make sure, yep, that's all lined up now. That's it. So good. Now we're going to do a side light change now on the front. So same thing again, you look in the front here, that's the bottom one there, the small one. It's a Capless bulb 501. We're going to show you how to replace that now. You remove the cap first, turn it to the left, and then as you can see on the inside, it's the brown cable. You pull that gently, you take it out, that's the bulb there. Remove the Capless bulb. Don't worry about if you touch it, but make sure your hands are not oily. Once you clip it back in, push it the same way again, make sure it slots in to the hole. As you can see there, it slots in. Now put the cover back on. We're just going to check all the lights now. We're going to do a light check now. Before you do that, you need to start the engine up just to be on the safe side. You don't drain the battery when you're doing the light check. So we've done that. Now if you put side lights on, that's lovely. As you can see, both of them working. No lights on, yep, that's good. Full beam, that's lovely. Indicate right, indicate left. Make sure these repeaters are working as well. As you can see, front fogs, yep, that's good. Just gonna check the back, make sure everything working on the back as well. Now these are the side light, tail light on at the moment. Can you press the brakes? Yep, that's lovely. Reverse, that's there, reverse is working. Indicate left, that's perfectly fine. Indicate right, press the brakes again, just make sure the center one's working, yep. And then the number plate lights are working as well, as you can see. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Goodbye.